Hi, are you looking for an extra income on top of your profession? Then I strongly suggest into becoming a digital entrepreneur. Hi, once again, I'm Raslin here from Illinois, and I'm here to share with you this trusted system that I use to start and launch my tax registered online business. And if I can do it, I'm sure you can. Are you working abroad right now and you feel like you didn't have enough time for yourself and your family? Are you beating yourself up working multiple side hustles just to make ends meet? Stop beating yourself and start building your dreams and make use of social media to earn extra income. This is actually when I realized that there is so much in the social media, in the digital space, that everyone is missing out. And that's when I realized that when I saw this one ad. There was this one ad that keeps popping up. It's an ad like this actually, and she was also a Filipina like me, and her story kind of resonated me. So, we all know whenever we are in a different country, most of the time we kind of feel like we're alone. And most of the time we feel like we kind of left out our family out there in our hometown, which is my hometown is the Philippines. So I feel like I've lost a lot of time with my family, my spouse, the kids, and the relatives. And this is actually one of the biggest reason that I started this business. And I want to be able to gain back most of my time, my family time, to be able to create more memories with them, and most of all to be able to retire early, and if not early, to be able to retire without having so much stress and so much problems, especially financial problems. And that is why when I saw this ad, I jumped in right away. I watched the free workshop, the 90-minute free workshop, and the rest is history. And now I feel so blessed, happy that I have a mentor, a coach, a community that will support me all throughout this journey. And what I love about this business is that it runs 24/7, and it runs even when you're sleeping. Another thing that I love about it is that I don't need to sell. I don't have to bug my friends to buy any products. I don't need to buy any inventory. And most of all, I don't need to be tech savvy, because most of the technical aspects are done for you. And the rest will be provided with a step-by-step training, together with the 24/7 support of our great leaders of the community. A community who's always there to guide you all throughout, to hone you to be successful in this business. So if you are a big dreamer, start taking action, and you can start by watching the free workshop. So you can start by typing your name and your email address on my website, rislinborough.com, or check the link below, and I will see you on the other side.